Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and I am back with another video. If you are not a part of the Frugal fam, go ahead and subscribe. It will not cost you a thing. Also, make sure you thumbs up the video because it helps to spread the love. And speaking of love, today's video is all about what's new at Dollar Tree for the month of February. Of course, with it being the month of February, that means that we are going to have lots and lots of Valentine's Day decor. So whether or not you celebrate or enjoy it or any of that, Dollar Tree is going to be packed with Valentine's stuff. So maybe you are the type who just likes the candy. I know I love me some chocolate any time of the year. One thing that I noticed, and this is from the brand Be Color, which I think is under the umbrella with Be Pure products that we see on the shelves at Dollar Tree. But Be Color has these cute little lip glosses with the keychain that has a pom-pom on it. They have a dark pink color and they also have the light pink color. These are adorable. I did not purchase them because Lord knows I have enough lip glosses. But yeah, they do have these there, and I only saw the two colors, but very Valentine's Day colors. And socks, so many socks, different designs on them, hearts, kisses, they had hearts hugging. They had the socks that were crew socks, and they also had ones that were knee-high socks. And these are sizes 5 to 9. I did not purchase any because it's just slightly too small for me. I'm actually like a 9.5 to a 10. It really just depends on the shoe, but I know that a 9 is just not going to work. Now, if you are around the same size as me, comment below if you purchased these socks and they work just fine for you. I was really interested in the knee-high socks because it is cold out here, so these would be great for the winter time, but I didn't get them because they're not my size, y'all. And I saw these adorable containers with lids and handles. They had red, they had pink. I did purchase one, and I purchased this one here because I do plan on doing a little Valentine's gift for my husband. We'll see. It's supposed to be a DIY thing, y'all. We're gonna see if it works out because I don't really know. But I'm gonna try to do it and I'll share it with y'all because listen, I'm not a huge DIY person, but hey, I don't mind sharing you guys, what I have done. And if it looks cute or not, or a hot mess, y'all gonna know. There we go, because we human. And they have these heart-shaped plastic dishes. They have a glass look to them, but they are a hard plastic. These came in the pink color and they also came in a light pink color. And what was so adorable about these were they had these confetti inside of it that move whenever you move the saucer around. So these would be good for a party. I just thought they were really neat. And these cups with lids and matching straws. I thought these were really nice. I feel like they had something like these last year that were around the springtime. I feel like they did, but the design was slightly different. But these are geared more towards Valentine's Day. I really thought the one that said "Hey Sugar" on it was really cute because that is something that I think is a cute little saying. So hey sugar. So yeah. They have these there, but I only saw 3 designs. And of course, they have the faux roses in pinks and reds. Some of them had glitter on the petals. I wasn't really impressed by these. They definitely look fake. From up close and far away, they look fake. So, but I guess, if you put a design together or something really nicely, you can pull it off without it looking so fake. And they had the cutest heart-shaped sunglasses in this light pink hue and then this light purple hue. I think these are a good idea if you have any kids parties coming up, especially if they're Barbie themed. They had this really nice rose box. It was a good size. It wasn't super big though, but it was a good size, and the quality of the roses was a little bit better than the ones that you found in the other part of Dollar Tree with the $1.25 items. They also had these really cute, adorable stuffed animals that I think are made to sit on maybe a mantle or some sort of shelf, and hopefully together, because they had a boy and a girl, and the boy had the cutest little overalls on, and they were just this cute little couple. So I thought I would mention that because I was like, oh, how nice. They made this little set. Nice, but they are individual. So, and of course, like typical Dollar Tree, they are already moving on. I saw some Easter items already on the shelves. They had a really cute Peeps welcome mat. I thought it was really nice, very, very colorful. It was $5. Just a nice size too. So if you're into the Peeps, if you like color and lots of it, especially for Easter, then they got you covered. I think they had a couple of other designs, but I was only looking at the Peeps one. Speaking of Peeps, they also have some 4-foot inflatables for your yard. So if you go all out for the Easter decorations, then hop on over to Dollar Tree. I did not mean to say hop like that. I know we're talking about Easter, but anyway, hop on over to Dollar Tree to check out what they have because those inflatables look really nice and they're a good size. They had these plush bunny heads. I don't know where you would put these exactly, but there were these decorative bunny heads and they had 2 shades. They had one that was a lighter khaki color and then one that was more of a darker khaki color. And these were $3 each, I believe. So I don't know what you would do with these other than maybe put them on a bed or something like that, or maybe on your couch. But they were really nice and they felt like good quality. And Dollar Tree is putting out more and more tiered trays. So of course they have one for Easter and this one has bunny ears on it. And I only found one that was in this turquoise, greenish blue color. I don't know, maybe they're gonna have a pink one or a yellow one. I'm sure the Dollar Tree is gonna roll out something, but these were really cute and they were $5. And of course they have their Easter signage. They had several different sizes. I really like these medium-sized ones. They had carrots, they had a bunny booty. Y'all know I like the bunny booty, it's so cute. So they had that as well. And I think these were about $3 each. And moving away from the plus section, they also had these small pedestal candle holders, single wick candles more than likely, and they had them in these nice pastel colors, which would be great for Easter. They had a pink and they also had a blue, and then they had this two-tone one that was a white and dark blue, and I saw one that was white and light blue. And I'm not sure how new these are. I feel like I've seen a few of them, but I do want to mention the Crafter Square stickers. If you are really big into crafts and stuff like that, they do have some new stickers. I saw some that were really vibrant, very pretty, some that had gold in them. They also had some with dinosaurs. So I think they are steadily restocking these. So this is a good time of year to go back in and see if there's something new that you would want to work with. And I noticed this rubber broom attachment. So at Dollar Tree, they really have this nice section in the home section where you can kind of build your own broom or mop tool. Pretty much you have the stick and then you have the attachment, and you can use this stick for your broom, you can use it for your mop, you can use it for your dustpan, different things like that. But I haven't seen the rubber broom yet, and I thought this was really neat. I'm not sure where you would use it, maybe in the garage. This would be good if you have spills that you regularly clean up in the garage. Lots of moisture, lots of water, stuff like that. This would be good for that. So, and it felt like good quality, so. And finally, I want to mention the Harry and David brand coffees. I have seen this brand in Dollar Tree before, but I did not know that they had all these different flavors. These are new to me. They had the vanilla cream, breakfast blend, maple vanilla, and milk chocolate peanut butter. Milk chocolate peanut butter flavored coffee. So yeah, that's a new one. I mean, people drink mocha. I'm not really a big mocha coffee drinker. I go for more of a vanilla coffee or something like that, or caramel, but I'm not really into the mocha. So I probably would not pick this one up. Peanut butter is a twist. That's a twist. So I don't know if this coffee is any good, you guys. It sounds like it would be, but I don't know. And these coffees are in 4 ounces. So this would be a good personal thing for you. It would also be great to take to work with you maybe, if you have your own little personal coffee maker at your desk. They also had the K-Cups. Now it was just a 4-pack and they only had the breakfast blend available. But if you are into K-Cups, then you may want to try this out. So that is my video, you guys. If you have seen any of these items at Dollar Tree, comment below if you picked them up. Let us know how well they went for you. Did they work out? Were they a waste of money? All of that good stuff. Or just pop in the chat and just say hello. I would appreciate that too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.